Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Google your homepage in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open Chrome's settings page in a new tab where you can customize how your browser looks and behaves. The settings page gives you control over everything from your home page to privacy settings and extensions. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Look for and click on Appearance. This section controls the visual aspects of your browser, including themes, font sizes, and importantly for our tutorial, the Home button functionality. Within the Appearance section, scroll down until you find an option called Show Home Button. You'll notice there's a toggle switch right beside it. Click on this toggle to turn it on. This enables the Home button to appear on your Chrome toolbar, giving you quick access to your chosen homepage with just one click. Once you've toggled the Home button on, a text field will appear directly below it. This field is where you specify which website should load when you click the Home button. Click on this field and type www.google.com. This ensures that every time you click the Home button, you'll be taken straight to Google's main page. Next, go back to the left side menu and click on Search Engine. This section determines which search engine Chrome uses by default when you type queries in the address bar. You want to make sure that your default search engine is set to Google. If it's not already selected, click on the drop-down menu and choose Google from the list. This ensures consistency across your browsing experience, with Google handling both your homepage and your searches. And that's it! You've successfully set Google as your homepage in Chrome. Now, whenever you open Chrome or click the Home button, you'll land directly on Google's familiar search page. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.